Are you tired of clutter in your home, especially when it comes to tools and maintenance supplies? You're not alone. Many homeowners struggle with keeping their space organized while ensuring they have everything they need at their fingertips. Here's a life pro tip. Use vertical space for storage. By installing wall-mounted shelves or pegboards, you can free up valuable floor space and keep your tools organized and accessible. To implement this, start by measuring your wall space. Choose sturdy shelves or a pegboard that can hold the weight of your tools. Use hooks and bins to categorize items, ensuring everything has its place. Finally, label each section for quick identification. This tip works because it utilizes often overlooked vertical space, making it easier to find and store items without sacrificing floor area. It also enhances safety by reducing trip hazards. You can adapt this tip for various spaces in your home, like the kitchen or workshop. Just ensure the materials are appropriate for the weight and type of items you plan to store. However, be cautious of overloading your shelves or pegboards. Always follow weight limits and secure them properly to the wall to avoid accidents. By implementing vertical storage, you'll not only declutter your space, but also save time and frustration when searching for tools. Enjoy a more organized, efficient home maintenance routine.